Today on Pinbusters, we're washing headlights with toothpaste. I got an email from my friend Jessie out in Bastrop, Texas, who wants us to wash headlights using toothpaste. All you need is a toothbrush, preferably one that you won't ever use again, some paste toothpaste, make sure it's paste and not gel, some water and a washcloth. Let's see if it works. Ready? Oh, these are dirty. And now the reveal. It ain't yellow no more. I think that's pin-trusted. Yay, now Jessie can drive with actual headlights. Well, that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time. I'm not doing the other one. You can do it yourself.